It's really steep here.
Let's see if there's a stone we can connect it to.
If I drop, just tell her, babe, I love you. Mwah. Hi neighbors, how are you doing, neighborhood? We're here again and we're going to share with you the truck just had to pass at that point in time. We're going to share with you our week that was, the week that was. And we had visitors from foreign, from big foreign to Canada. Tina's sister came and visited us, so it was around her birthday as well, so I had to mark the occasion naturally. And here's what happened last week. The pee broke.
As soon as Auntie Jenny comes in, we're gonna start singing happy birthday, okay? Mm-hmm. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Jenny. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! You gotta blow out the candles. Wait for Edie and Ava. Come, babies.
It's happened for you the other day.
All right. Okay. All right. So you make a wish. You make a wish. You make a wish first. You make the wish. Okay.
After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
We wish you many more years, Genevieve. Many more birthdays.
Thank you, Mom. So, Daddy, want to say anything?
Yes. You don't
Take this
know.
oil from on your neck. Do.
On behalf of me and Eden and Ava, who cannot speak as yet, we're happy to have you here, and that you could share this birthday with us in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always a pleasure to have you. Right, Edie? Right, Ava? Yes.
Hannah's turn now.
Well, happy birthday. Thank you for being a great aunt. And thank you for everything that you've done since I was born up to today. So thank you very much. And I hope you have an amazing rest of the day.
And from me, this is my sister that I've known for the last number of years. I would just like to say happy birthday. I love you. I'm glad that you're here spending your birthday with us, which, it's been a long time since we've had one of your birthdays celebrating here. So we're happy. Yeah, but we have to, we have to grace the cake with a little cut.
Okay.
Yeah, why not? That's what birthdays are for. No, sir.
After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Woohoo! Nice. Cake for everybody. What kind of cake is it, honey? Is it like the baby's cake that it's
Black velvet.
red velvet?
No.
Black velvet?
Black velvet.
That's what it is?
That's what was on the cake.
Okay. Oh. Woohoo! Woo! It's chocolate cake. Lovely. Cake. Cake. Come for cake, baby.
Now it's time to get some food. And where did they go? Jolly's Seafood Restaurant in Portmore. I had to stay home with the kids, but look at what I missed. Festival, nice brown stewed fish for Tina, serving of fried green plantains. Not sure if this is steamed or fried brine, but either way, nice. Hannah had fried fish. She gave her a thumbs up of approval. Mommy Bev also had her fried fish, and she's taking the nice vegetable bites right there. Birthday girl opted for brown stewed fish with enough okra. Real Jamaican vibes. What's up, neighbors? How you doing? I'm so happy summer is here officially. Summer is here officially. And so yesterday Tina went with her sister to Jolly's, eat some fish for her birthday and thing with Hannah and Tina's mom. But today now we're going to actually take a little road trip to the east of the island to St. Thomas. Nothing too big, but just to get a little drive out. I'm going this time. Tina is staying home with Eden and Ava because, believe it or not, I think a second wave of sickness is going around because people having fever, the children having fever, which is not a part of what they had in the last cold or, you know, sinusy cough thing. But now cough and fever, one by one them getting it. So we're dividing and conquering today. I'll be bringing Leila and Zahra. Tina will be keeping Eden and Ava. And we're going to take you on the little road trip to St. Thomas. Before we leave though, remember to subscribe if you're new here. Welcome to the neighborhood. Thank you for stopping by. There's a lot of space here. Subscribe using the button below. And just like that, you become a neighbor. And if you have been following us for a while, also check us out on Instagram at me&my-house. Subscribe or follow us there. Anyway, enough talking. Time to hit the road. Let's go. Glasses straight. I'm not used to glasses, you know, so let's go now. Ava have a round out, you know? Oh gosh.
Oh.
Bye, Ava. Bye-bye.
Oh.
She give me a kiss. Later.
Where my love?
Ain't nobody stopping me.
After all this driving, we're going to take a stop outside. Surprise, come. And that's Tina's sister, who is the videographer for the day. So all the sticks that you saw, she's the one who took them. So Tina is at home, but she's actually here on the video. So she's experiencing it. Babe, where are you? She's experiencing it second hand. Talk about third hand. So we're going to take a picture now. Well, you can slip on the video, right? So take a picture on the falls, babe.
I'm capturing it just in case. Bloopers!
Don't worry, we're not drinking.
Made it.
Alright, so now it was time to head to our actual destination. So we reached where we're looking for. We can't manage the drive, the car couldn't go any further. So, I have to walk. So we're trekking the rest of the way. Careful, careful. Yeah, I'm tired, but if there are any surprises around here, I'll have this. Don't test me. So the rain actually coming down now, so we're actually going to go out to the car. But we came to do some, you know, she's doing some business just to verify that what is here is what is here. You know, with my matches, and I'm not going to chop any. You know, nobody never crossed me, so I never have to use it, and there's no bush to chop. But this was worth it, and I'm going to show you this view. We're in St. Thomas. What is place name again? Huh? What is area name? Roselle. Roselle. I'm going to show you the view from where we stand right now.
You pass some titan on the stone and roll it down to you, and you. Let's see if there's a stone we can connect it to.
If I drop, just tell her, babe, I love you. Mwah. Alright, so this one's a catch up view. It's really steep here, but can you see through there? I'm going to show you a different place though, a different spot. But that's the sea right there. That's the sea. That is some bay down there, but I'm going to try to catch a different angle. Going to catch a different angle further down so you can see the amazing view from this side.
Just make sure no snake or nothing.
No snake or nothing. I found a spot, guys. I found a spot. Alright, so if I use this stone. Wow. Can you see that? Look at that. You can't see behind these trees, but the view here takes you straight to the sea, the ocean, and behind me there are actually mountains beyond trees. You can see a glimpse of it right here. So when this is cleared, then you'd have a nice view of mountains and ocean. If I get a better view, I'll show you, but you have an idea. But trust me, the beauty here, God is awesome. I got it now, guys. This is the view. This is the view. Serious now, I'd have to come out after this, and I'm going to FaceTime Tina afterwards. Alright, so feast your eyes. Ready? 1, 2. Yes, this is it. Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. Imagine living here, guys.
Side, step this.
We're heading back down now.
Wait, let me see the sign. It says.
And it is as bumpy as it looks. Believe me. Okay, mission accomplished. Time to head back into Kingston on this long drive. We're actually taking down the tree, guys. Taking down the tree.
Well, that's how it's going to go.
In the name of development, they are taking down the tree.
See there, right before.
See them demolishing the tree,
do
baby?
not eat the bag.
You can't see it. It's right ahead, baby.
Because you can't get this. See the beautiful waters there. You guys are going to film me for why are you filming? We're going to have all of the protesters come and tell us that we've wrecked Roselle Falls.
Part of it, they're taking down all the trees, guys. Oh gosh, take time. We're thinking that it's only this stream chopping down, but take a look at what we're seeing right here. The others are marked for cutting down. So if you look closely, you'll see that
So one
X, and the X is on the other trees as well. And of course, it's a line of traffic, and there's this random guy trying to break the traffic. Yeah. But yeah, can you imagine how all these trees are to get to this size? It's kind of sad to see that they're taking them down in the name of development, but yeah, it's something. No dull moments today. They're moving this piece of equipment for the expansion that they're doing, and it is causing one build-up. You can look behind me. You can't see in the rearview mirror right now, but when I turn a little more, you'll see. So we're sitting ducks here.
Like where they're gonna cut off. Like I keep seeing them spray painting on the fences.
So that's the traffic that's building up behind me because of this guy. Careful. We're going to fix up ourselves. So I have one more stop to get some passport size pictures for Leila and Zahra. Yeah. So back in Portmore now. Pardon? No, it's for school. Ready? Make sure you smile just like that, okay? Yes, miss. Make sure you smile just like that, you know. Pretty. Look at her. Smile.
Look at me.
Very good. Your turn, yeah. Ready, Leila? Yeah. Alright. Leila, look at me. You're going to smile? Smile, get a big smile.
Look at me, look at me.
Look at her. Look at her.
Look at me.
Smile. Very good. Look at her. Why not good yet? So just going to relax and smile, okay?
I'm looking at me.
Okay, look at her. Very good, Leila.
No, look at me. Keep your
Look
eyes
at her
over
again.
at the camera. Over here.
Very good, baby. Good job, okay, baby? High five. Very good. Morning, neighbors. Next day, I'm going to church. Well, I'm going to church today. I'm the only one because came in yesterday and we were all tired. And the rest of the house not feeling so hot. So I'm heading out. It was a very full day, but it was enjoyable, and yeah, it was a nice experience. So that was our day yesterday. Going to church right now, and we're wishing for you the best for this week. Go with God, and we'll catch you again in our next vlog. So until then, big up from everybody in the household. Big up to the neighbors. Remember to follow us on Instagram at Me and My House, and we'll catch you soon. Bye. Take care.